stop shrinking. Micro habits that leak your authority.
What if I told you there are 10 tiny things you're doing right now that make people ignore you, interrupt you, and forget what you just said? You don't even notice them.
But everyone else does. Here's the crazy part. Leaders don't do these things. Not because they're special, but because they learned to stop. By the time this video ends, you'll know every single one of them, and you'll never make the same mistake again. Let's begin. Habit number 1. You explain too much. Someone asks you a question. You give a good, short answer, but then you keep going. You add more reasons. You defend yourself even though nobody attacked you. You keep explaining and explaining. Every extra word makes you sound less sure. The solution: say what you need to say, then stop. Let silence do the heavy lifting. Leaders understand that silence after a statement isn't empty, it's powerful. It shows you trust your own words enough to let them stand alone. Habit number 2. You laugh at your own serious words. You say something important, then you giggle at the end. Why? Because you're nervous. But that little laugh tells everyone, don't take this seriously. You're putting your own words on sale. The solution? Say it and stop. Don't decorate it with a giggle. Let your words stand there with their full weight. Leaders don't undercut themselves. They let their words land heavy. Habit number 3. You ask for permission to speak. Can I say something? Is it okay if I jump in? Sorry to interrupt. Stop it. You're not being polite. You're acting like you don't belong in the conversation. The solution? Wait for a natural pause, then speak. You have every right to be in this conversation. Leaders don't ask for a hall pass. They contribute because they know their voice matters. Habit number 4. You answer too fast. Someone asks a question and you shoot out an answer like a cannon. No pause, no breath, just rapid-fire words. This makes you look desperate to please. The solution? Pause. Take a breath. Count to 1. Then answer. That tiny pause shows you're thinking, not just reacting. Leaders understand that slow answers feel deliberate. Fast answers feel desperate. Habit number 5. You say sorry before you even talk. Sorry, but I might be wrong, but sorry to bother you, but you're apologizing for having an opinion. You're making yourself small before you start. The solution? Stop apologizing for your thoughts. Just say your thought. If you're wrong, you can adjust later, but don't apologize for existing in the conversation. Leaders take up space without apologizing for it. Habit number 6. You change your mind too easily. You state your view. Someone disagrees. You immediately fold. You're right, never mind. You just wanted the disagreement to go away. Now people learn your opinions are like smoke. The solution? It's okay to hear someone out. It's even okay to change your mind later. But right now, it's okay to say, I see your point, but I still see it differently. Standing your ground isn't being difficult. It's having a spine. Leaders don't bend with every wind. Habit number 7. You look away first. You're talking to someone and you're always first to break eye contact. You look away like you're hiding. This tells people you're uncomfortable. The solution? Hold their gaze for 1 second longer than feels normal, especially after you make a point. You're not staring them down. You're just showing you're not scared to be seen. Leaders are comfortable being fully present. Habit number 9. You nod too much. Someone talks and you nod constantly. Nod, nod, nod. You look like you're begging for approval. Please like me, please agree with me. The solution? Listen with your eyes and ears, not your neck. Stay still. Be calm. A nod here and there is fine. Constant nodding is a performance. Leaders listen without performing. Habit number 10. You use too many filler words. Kinda, sorta. These words are little rocks in your shoes. They slow you down. They make you sound unsure. The solution? Slow down. When you can't think of the next word, don't say Just be quiet for 1 second. Silence sounds smarter than a sentence full of filler. Leaders are comfortable with silence. They don't need to stuff every gap with noise.
You just sat through 10 uncomfortable truths. That means you're different. You're not here to just watch and forget.
You're here to actually change. Most people will hear this and do nothing. They'll nod along, then go back to their old habits tomorrow. Don't be that person. Pick one habit, just one, the one that stung the most, and catch yourself doing it this week. That's it. That's the work. If this video gave you even one thing you can use, hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube to show this to someone else who needs to hear it. And if you want to keep building the kind of presence that commands respect without saying a word, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You showed up today. That's the first step. Now go out there and stop shrinking. I'll see you in the next one.